Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So did you know that Android has a hidden menu called developer options? So it will let you unlock cool features like USB debugging, faster animations, and advanced settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer options on Android in less than 1 minute. So what is developer options? It is a hidden settings menu mainly made for developers, but regular user can also use it for extra control and customizations. So let's enable it now. First, you can open your settings and scroll down and tap the about phone, this one. And then here you can find the build number. This one. Now just tap it 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7. And you'll see a message saying you are now a developer, like this. And now if your phone asks like a previous one before, if your phone asks for a PIN, password, or fingerprint, you can just enter it. And that's it. Now the developer option is now enabled. So to find it, you can just go back to settings and scroll down to system or additional settings. This one. Here you'll see the developer options. You can just click on it. But for a quick warning, don't change random settings inside the developer options if you don't know what they do. Some options can affect performance or maybe battery life. So the useful things that you can do, you can enable the USB debugging. You can speed up your phone animation and also monitor running apps. So that's how you can enable the developer options on Android. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more easy Android tips and tutorials, and comment below what phone you are using. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.